Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, let's all watch big dog brothers meet their human siblings for the first time.
That's your newest sibling!
The newest member of our pack, Rara.
What do you think? Oh, you like him? Isn't he sweet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, we got a new member.
This dog is taking notes on the technique. Dad, can you slow down?
Oh, that was a good kiss. That was a good kiss.
Someone's ready to welcome the newborn as part of the family.
Do you realize that the hair we collected from you over 9 months is what made up this part of this baby?
Okay.
Ask about Repatha.
I guess your pup is a statue now. Send snacks to support. That's a protective, this one's mine lean.
It's you! I found you!
New smells. Who is this tiny man? He smells like milk and trouble.
Sit. Sit. Don't jump. You ready?
A great reminder that the mum deserves to be celebrated too, not just the new arrival.
Come here. Come here, big boy.
Oh, is that your...
Your brother. Little kiss.
Oh.
Someone's had a new full-time job, loyal guardian for life. Overjoyed at meeting the baby, this furry sibling just had to do a happy dance. Among all kinds of zoomies, child zoomies are the best.
That's your sister. Easy.
What do you think?
He's just keeping watch in case the princess's dreams need a knight.
Now, for a free information kit and no obligation quote, why risk fraud when you can safely ride A4's fair?
No doubt, Doggo's claiming his new best friend.
Turn away for 1 sec. And the baby looks like he got a bath. I wonder how that happened.
A tough dog? Yes, but a softie for this tiny human. Or we can literally see the tenderness in his posture.
I have a golden retriever. You don't have to do nothing to that dog. Like, that dog just wants to be your friend. Like, he's not, you don't have to ever worry about him being aggressive. He's just a sweetheart to everybody.
Guess who is overjoyed with his new sister?
We will always be friends forever, won't we? Yeah, forever.
His whole body is wagging, but his face is wagging even harder. One's waving hello and one's sniffing to say, "Hi there" back.
Ariana, what are you doing here?
Max, you love the baby?
He's congratulating his human for bringing home the new baby.
Give him a quick little lick.
Is that the doggy?
But how exciting is it to smell it?
Hi human, want a slobbery kiss?
Who is that, huh? Very good, Scotty. That's a very good boy. Very good, Darla.
Don't you think this furry brother is a little bit too protective?
It's that tiny human again. Okay, let me have a sniff.
Pups just realized his days of being the only child are over. That's okay. There are great moments in life. Isn't this one of them? Hope you enjoyed these sweet moments. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time.